Andrew Brown, Chief of Communication and Advocacy at the United Nations Children's Fund Office for China, said that the upcoming World Media Summit is a great opportunity to encourage more media outlets to tell children's stories. He made the remarks in an interview with Xinhua on Monday in Beijing.
I'm looking forward to the summit. I'd like to thank Xinhua for organizing it. For UNICEF, it's a great opportunity for us to talk about children's rights in the media, to encourage more media to tell children's stories, and really to exchange opinions and views to try and identify new ways of telling children's stories and getting these issues into the public domain.
The UNICEF official has appreciated the media's important role in promoting the protection of children's rights.
So I think media has a really important role. Now, children have a whole range of rights in areas, so we want to shine the light on where these things are working well, but also where more can be done. So I think that the media helps us to do that. The media also, as I said, has a role to play in ensuring that children's own voices are heard. When you're reporting on children's issues, there are also special considerations. We also need to make sure that it's done in a way that is responsible to children, that it's age appropriate, that it's sensitive, and most importantly, that by reporting on children's stories, those children are not put at greater risk.
According to Brown, UNICEF and Xinhua have had a partnership since 2009. He hopes that their cooperation can help more children in the future.
UNICEF China has had a partnership with Xinhua since 2009. We have a shared interest in telling children's stories. We also advocate on children's issues, and we work with Xinhua and other partners to try and raise the voice of children themselves. The other thing that we would really like to do is to start telling more stories about China-funded programs overseas. So how China is helping children's development in countries in Africa and Asia. So there are many more stories that we can tell. There's always more children that we can help. So we really look forward to continuing the partnership and growing it.